We are pleased to show you the 2017 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, remote keyless entry, fog lamps. Inside you'll find backup camera, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, push-button start, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks, power windows, bucket seats, tilt steering wheel. Your new ride is just a phone call away.